are going to see about Unit 4 Source and Error Control Coding. The digital data is transmitted to the receiver via channel. Here the error introduced by the channel, and these errors are controlled by error control coding such as Shannon-Fano code, Huffman code, linear block code, convolutional code, Viterbi algorithm, etc. By using these error control coding, we can detect the error and correct the error. So this is the objective of this error control coding scheme. First, we are going to see about entropy or average information. Here, the definition of entropy. The entropy of a source is defined as the source which produces average information per individual message in a particular interval. It is also called as common tropy. So this is a formula for entropy. Summation I is equal to 1 to n pi log base 2 of 1 by pi. So by using this, we can find the entropy of a source. So based on this, let us see the problem. This is a problem number 1. Here, find the total amount of information when a source emits 5 simples while probabilities are 0.02, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2 and 0.1. Here our objective is we want to find the total amount of information. First, let us go for the given data. So what are the given data is given 5 simples. So source emits 5 simples with the probabilities we can write 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2 and 0.1. Okay, let us go for the solution. We want to find the amount of information. So to find the amount of information, so log base 2 of 1 by pi. So what is the value of I here? So totally 5 simples, so that the I value is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us see the simples 1, S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5. So now we are going to find I1, I2, I3, I4 and 5. So from that one we can find out the total amount of information. First, let us find the amount of information for simple 1. I1 is equal to log base 2 of 1 by P1. Here the probabilities for the first simple is P1, that is equal to 0.2. So here log base 2 of 1 by 0.2. How to find this? So this is a formula for log a to the base b, log a divided by log b. So how to convert log base 2 into log base 10 means that is log a divided by log b. So that log of 1 by 0.2 divided by log 2. So first we want to find what is 1 divided by 0.2, then take log, again divided by what is the log of 2. So log base 10 means it is no need to give base 10 in our calculator. So directly log of 1 by 0.2 divided by log of 2. So that is in a natural base 10 only. So first amount of information due to simple S1 is 2.3219 bits. Likewise, amount of information due to simple S2 is, here the P2 value is 1 by 0.3. So 1 by 0.3, that is equal to log base 2 of same formula log b to the base a. So 1 by 0.3, so log 2. So first find 1 by 0.3 and take log, next log of 2. So both the values should be divided, you will get the 1 by 1.7369. Like that, you can similarly you can find the amount of information due to simple 3. Here P3 value is 0.2, so I3 is equal to 2.3219 bits. Here the fourth simple amount of information due to simple 4 is 1 by P4 0.2, so I4 value will be 2.3219. Amount of information due to simple S5 is 1 by 0.1. So the same procedure we can find the I5 is equal to 3.3219 bits. So what is our objective? Find the total amount of information. So we can find the I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5. So total amount of information, that is equal to 12.025 bits. So this is a units, so that is also very important. Thank you.